Hello YouTube, it's me again. You know what I really can't get used to after like making these videos is this. This is just weird. Like, you know what? Like, I don't know. This is probably the dumbest video I'll ever put up, but how in the hell do people like go around this way and go around that way and spin around? Like, it almost looks like the background's fake when you do this. Maybe because I have my glasses on. I look kind of weird. But maybe it's my double chin blocking the oxygen in my brain. But I don't know, man. Anyway, I'm probably showing you all the junk on my back walls. There's wires and shit, but I still can't get used to the whole like walking around with a camera. I'm getting used to my voice slowly. I've watched videos as I have to edit them and edit them and edit them and edit them. But anyway, if you want to look at some here, here's see, ages ago I bought a Blue Point toolbox. Well, got it real cheap. Why? Because somewhere on the back there, first I think it was reproed, and then second I think it has a dent on it. So it was like, instead of like $3,000, it was like, I don't know, $200 or $300. I don't know, but I got it cheap because otherwise I would never buy one of these. And I got my back here. I got a Craftsman toolbox. I have a bunch of those. So yeah. Anyway, I just thought I'd make a little video rant of, what do you call it? I don't know. Am I supposed to look over here? Or over here? I keep looking over there, but yeah, let's look over there. So I don't know, where do I look? But anyway, yeah, so if I'm looking I don't know what the hell, this is weird. So I'm looking off to the right, it's just me. But yeah, what the hell was I saying? Yeah, I don't know how people can hold up cameras and talk in them. Like, I got my head back because I think I should probably put the camera like this, so it's more natural. But selfie sticks and all that crap. I hope I put this up just for shits and giggles. Anyway, like, subscribe. Just a short little video, just of me talking, and I'll have some other videos of me doing other stuff. Thank you. Bye.